Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you're fine. My name is Love It, and in this channel I share about prophetic words that will help your life greatly. So if you're interested in prophetic words, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell so that you get notified on my next video. There is someone here, you're watching me. Things are hard for you, as if God is no longer there. Now, God is going to open heaven for you. There will be I don't want to talk much, but there will be an open heaven for you now. And everything will start to work well for you. You experience what I called ease of passage. When that heaven opens, anything you do will easily click and start to work for you. You will find it easy to excel, easy to prosper, easy to get money, easy to get favor. God says when He opens the heaven, He's going to release upon you a certain kind of blessing that will make you to excel, that will grant you ease of passage. So that anything you do, you can easily excel and prosper and succeed in anything you do. Many times people struggle because there is a closed heaven over them. But when God opens your heaven right now, you will not experience that struggle again. If you are the one I'm talking to, take this prophetic word to prayer. Ask God to open heaven for you. 10 minutes of your midnight prayer is enough for this thing to manifest for you. Everything will start to work well for you to the glory of God. If you believe this, type amen. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell so that you get updates of my next video.